Welcome. In this video I will show you how to wipe all cache data on your Dreamy TV through the recovery mode. To wipe cache through recovery on your TV, first of all you're gonna have to unplug it from the power source, so from the power outlet, and after unplugging it from the power outlet, start holding down the power button beneath the TV, and while holding it down, plug the cable back into the power outlet. Now at this point the red LED will appear at the bottom of your TV. Wait for it to disappear. This will indicate your TV powering on, and after it disappears, stop holding down the power button, and after that we will enter the recovery mode. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it appears on your screen. And once you see Android recovery, what we're gonna need to do here is use our D-pad, up and down arrow keys, navigate down to wipe cache partition option, and then press OK button to confirm. Then select yes, then wait until cache wipe is complete, and select reboot system now by clicking OK button once again, and then wait until your TV is restarted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.